Bars used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast.
Thanks for tuning in again here. We're gonna go get some steelhead again. It's early, 6 a.m. I think it's 18 degrees out today. Let's go get it. I got on quick here. I think hit the white woolly bugger. I'm running a tandem fly setup, but we'll see once I get this fish in. Quick spot switch up. That spot got absolutely overloaded with guys way too quick for my liking. Ooh, bingo. Nice fresh fish here, putting up a nice little fight. I got the video going at like 1.5 just so it didn't take too long to show. And gotcha. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, come here. I don't think I got 2 more casts and I'm already hooked up again. This guy's clearly trying to run me down the creek, but I'm gonna stand my ground here. Of course. Another quick hookup. The water's clear, but I don't necessarily see a big pile of fish in here, but they're eating. Another one off. That's why they don't call it catching. Alright, I'm going to change up something here. I think I'm going to run like a double egg pattern. I usually just throw on like a improved fisherman's knot for any of my fly ties. Yeah, I've got my green sucker spawn and a red little single egg pattern here. I'm gonna try to get a fish on this. Water's moving pretty good, so I'm going to throw a couple split shots on here so I can get my flies down nice and quick, try to get them down to the fish level. I typically use like a size 3. If the water's clear, I'll use like a BB size, but these 3 should do just fine for this. So right now I'm running about 5-6 feet under my... Oh, thought I had one there. It's always better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, about 5-6 feet under my float there. Lazy cast. Oh, yeah, there's one. Oh, we got a runner. Yeah, I chopped and sped this video up a little bit. This fish put up a hell of a fight, so I just wanted to make sure everybody got to see the whole thing. Make sure you take a second to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see. Anything you guys want. I'm trying to make the content for you. This fish does not seem tired in any way, shape, or form. Let's go. We got her. Nice fresh female. Super fresh, nice plump female here. Beautiful color to her. Beautiful fish. East to west, I got a call from some guys that are out here on elk. I'm out here with them now. We're going to try to get this done. Water here is pretty deep. It's usually definitely not this high. It's pretty cloudy, pretty dark. We're going to hopefully try to get into one here. Well, I can't feel my toes. I'm going to get up here on this concrete ledge, try to get out of the water for a second. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. There's one. Let's go. Nice one. Come here. Ooh, crushed it.
Yeah.
See the cream egg?
Yep. That's what I got that orange on right now. Man, they're in
here. It is frigid. What'd you say?
I didn't know if you threw it on that. You didn't realize
Oh,
you threw it on.
yeah, sometimes I forget, man. Then I'll like go to look at my shit and I'm like, why is there a 17-minute video on here? And then a bunch of 3-second ones. Well, while it's open, I'm gonna go down from here and try to pass down this waterfall a little bit. Didn't even have time to get the camera rolling on the cast and we're hooked up. This here's the last one of the day. I want to say thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and I hope you all stay tuned for more. And gotcha. This guy's seen some battles, missing a fin, and if you look at his tail here, it is beat up.